Now Liv will be in positive acceleration. Now she will increase her velocity. Now she'll be going at a constant velocity. And now she'll be decreasing her velocity with no acceleration.
Look at my face.
In our experiment, Liv is going to use a scooter to, from 0 to 10, have positive acceleration, from 10 to 20, increase her velocity, from 20 to 30, have a constant velocity, and 30 to 40, decrease her velocity with no acceleration. This is Morgan, and I'm going to show you how to calculate velocity in our experiment. In order to calculate velocity, you need to know two things: distance and time. All you have to do is take the scooter that Liv rode on and divide by the time interval. For the interval of 0 meters to 10 meters, Liv covered 10 meters in 3.78 seconds.
Hell yeah, dude.
So just do 10 meters divided by 3.78 and you will get 2.65. For the interval 0 meters to 10 meters, Liv covered 10 meters in 3.78 seconds. So just do 10 meters divided by 3.78 seconds and your velocity is 2.65 meters per second. This demonstrates an increase in velocity because in the previous interval, Liv had a velocity of 0.
For the interval of 10 meters to 20 meters, Liv covered 10 meters in 3.37 seconds. So you just divide 10 meters divided by 3.37 meters, and you get 2.96 meters per second. This demonstrates an increase in velocity because the previous interval, Liv had a velocity of 2.65.
Of 20 meters to 20 meters. Liv covered 10 meters in 3.37 seconds. So just do 10 meters divided by 3.38 and your velocity is 2.96 meters per second. This demonstrates a constant velocity because in the previous interval, Liv had a velocity of 2.97.
For the interval of 0 meters to 10 meters, Liv had an initial velocity of 0 meters per second and a final velocity of 2.65 meters per second. You have to take the final velocity of 2.65 meters per second and subtract the initial velocity of 0 meters per second. The difference is velocity is 2.65 meters per second. Now you just have to divide the difference in velocity by 3.78 seconds, which is the time for this interval. Liv's acceleration is 0.70 meters per second squared. Because this answer is positive, it represents an increase in acceleration for this interval.
For the interval of 30 meters to 40 meters, I covered 10 meters in 4.18 seconds. So just do 10 meters divided by 4.18 and your velocity is 2.39 meters per second. This demonstrates a decrease in velocity because the previous interval I had a velocity of 2.96.
For the interval of 10 meters to 20 meters, Liv had an initial velocity of 2.65 meters per second and a final velocity of 2.97 meters per second. You take the final velocity of 2.97 meters per second and subtract the initial velocity of 2.65 meters per second. The difference in the velocity is 0.032 meters per second. Now you just have to divide this difference in the velocity by 3.37 seconds, which is the time for the interval. Liv's acceleration is 0.009 meters per second. Because the answer is extremely close to 0, it represents an increase in acceleration for this interval.